This is the elevator at 1014 Perry Highway in Ross Township, Pennsylvania. This is a North Hill Schindler 300 AM2. Up air is burned out. KONE sensor. 3's probably gonna be logged. Why not? Interior light. Chime's kind of quiet. A little bit bouncy. Three. Back on the one. Certificate installed 1997. No phone. That's just for someone at the real estate company. It's a basic white laminate cow with dark blue, I don't know, maybe it's gray, color for the paint. I don't think Adam's filmed this one yet. Surprising if he hasn't. Another one. It was unlocked on a Saturday, which is nice. Industrial Commercial maintains this. And has a KONE sensor, which they often use. Doesn't say KONE, but yeah. I'm guessing that's gonna be it.